No?
So we're here for Torchies, but it's like the birds right now. So many birds all over this neighborhood. So many. And now Torchies! The birds! They're everywhere. Ah. Starting off with Torchies' famous queso. So excited right now. Are you excited right now? Yes, he's excited. So this is my Torchies choice today. I got the Democrat, which is barbacoa, and the Mr. Orange, which is blackened salmon. Mike also got the Democrat, and then he got the Trailer Park, which is fried chicken, and he got it with queso. So yum yum yum. Love Torchies. Oh God.
Do I?
Mike went and ordered this. It's fried cookie dough bites. Oh dear. Alright, so I thought it was bad when we went in. There's so many more now. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. They really... Oh! Holy cow. Oh my gosh.
I saw that.
That was crazy.
That bird didn't make it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, probably sure about.
Oh my.
Wow, it just put the power out. I can't believe I was filming while that happened. Oh, power's back. Wow.
Wow, that's scary.
Yeah, that's scary.
All right, well that was scary. That's a lot of birds. It really is quite alarming, I must say. You guys see all the birds in the parking lot there, and they're like sitting on top of the cars. Oh my gosh. That is nuts. Oh God.
Everywhere.
Oh my God. That is nuts. Wow. Houston was going great until I got sick. Darn you airplanes. I am sick again. I was just sick not even a month ago. Now I'm sick all over again, probably because I flew to Houston. So the boys, Mike's brother Jeff is also here with us for Christmas. So they went to go get us breakfast. And in the meantime, I'm gonna play a little Halo. So Mike got me that for Christmas. If you guys don't know, I love Halo. So I'm gonna play a little bit of this. The matchmaking has been very difficult, but when I actually get to play it, it's really fun. So that's my plan. It's the day after Christmas today, so just gonna lounge and try to get over some of this cold, and I think we're gonna do a Doctor Who marathon. So that's my exciting day after Christmas while sick. So while I'm waiting on a game here, I'll say we had a very fun Christmas before I started feeling sick. Jeff is also feeling sick, so we both caught it. But aside from that, we had a really fun time opening gifts, and Mike and I went and saw Christmas lights. So I've got some videos of the Christmas lights to show you. We went around Houston driving around seeing the best displays. So I will show you those now. It was a fun little adventure trying to find the best lights. The cutest present of all, Mr. Ash. Adorable. Good boy. Meerkat. Oh, do you want one, Ash?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Oh, give me one of those treats.
Boy. Huh? Huh? Huh?
Good boy. Faster. Meerkat. Meerkat. Good boy.
Meerkat.
Meerkat. Good boy. Here. Merry Christmas, y'all. That's Texas for you. They couldn't pick a style, so they just did all of them. I like that one. And we got SpongeBob over here. Pineapple Under the Sea. It's their own Osborne lights here. Ooh, yay. So they're a little serious about it here in this corner. There's a little train. Slow. Wow. That's awesome. We got a dancing Santa. Oh, that's awesome and creepy at the same time. There's a pig, Santa pig. It's the North Pole. Wow, that's awesome. What? They just put a giant Christmas tree in their yard. They're like, here, there's a giant Christmas tree. Oh look, they did the lasers like the, babe. Okay, you're gonna go that way. What type of tree is that? What the heck is that? It is Nightmare Before Christmas themed. They've got Jack and then Oogie Boogie back here. Christmas Town. And they've got like the little laser light show going. That's cool. Awesome. We found another dancing light show. So this neighbor and this neighbor actually both, I guess, do it together. This one's a little crazy strobe light-ish though. Woo! So this entire block did Lumieres all the way through to their dead end. That is so cool! Good job, neighborhood. Yeah, it's not quite Candyland Court, but I like it. Still a very nice effort. There's a Dance of Santa up on the second level. And his ho-ho helicopter down here. That's too funny. Some more really nice lights here in the ritzy neighborhood. So this is all one house. Whee! One gigantic house. It's gorgeous though. Only like $1 million.